Alright guys, welcome back. We have another question from chapter 5. In this one we have to determine again the reactions at the supports. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this content with your friend, and let me know if you have any specific question in your mind from the 3 textbooks that we are solving in this channel. And let's get started. So we're gonna start with the reactions at 2 supports that we have. So we have a pin at point A, which means we have both AX and AY component. Let's show the AX in here, AY, and since it's a pin, there is no moment at point A, and we have a rocker support at point B, which means we only have normal force. Let's call that one NB. And we can start now, since we have all the moments at point, since we have the most reactions and most unknowns at point A, we're going to start with the moment about point A, and that would be our first equilibrium equations. And let's see what we have for the moment about point A. So we have the 6 kilonewton force, which is making a clockwise moment. So we have minus 6 times the distance, which is 2. And we have another moment for 8 kilonewton force, again clockwise, 8, and distance this time will be 2 plus 2 or 4. We have the moment of the 5 kilonewton force here on top, which again is a clockwise moment or negative, and the distance will be this distance, which is 2. And the last one is the moment of the normal force at point B, which we see that is counterclockwise, so will be positive, and the distance will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is these 3, equals 0. And from here we can find the NB as our first unknown. So if you calculate this, we'll get 9 kilonewton. And we can do the moment about point B, then we can find AY. And for that we have the moment of AY, which is clockwise, so negative times again 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. And the rest of the moments are so we have the 5 kilonewton force, which is clockwise, so we have minus 5 times the radical distance, which is 2. By the way, we have a 2D shortcut for finding the moment in 2D questions. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Feel free to check that out. And if you watch that video, we'll see the only thing that we need is the force and the vertical distance from the point to the line of action of the force. And that way we can go with just multiplying the force and the distance. And we have 2 more moments, the 6 kilonewton force, which are counterclockwise, so positive 6, the distance will be 4, plus the 8 kilonewton force, and the distance will be 2 for this force. And we can find AY in here, which would be 5 kilonewton. So we found 2 of the unknowns, there's only 1 left. And if we do the sum of all forces in X direction, we can find, and if we consider this as our positive X, or we can show the X and Y like in here, like this, as the positive side for X and Y. And if we look at it, we'll see that we have AX and the 5 kilonewton force, which means the AX will be negative 5 kilonewton, and the negative sign shows that the AX has to be to the left. And that would be the final answer for this question. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have any specific question in your mind, then we can go through in the next videos. And I will see you guys in the next video.